This is BirdBrain Technologies, a line of computer science kits designed to inspire deep and joyful learning through coding and robotics. The Finch robot is a durable, programmable robot. Each Finch uses microbit as its processor and comes with a micro USB cable for charging. The Finch can be coded using a wide range of icon-based, block-based, and advanced text-based programming languages, available on Chromebooks, iPads, Mac, and Windows. The Finch includes sensors, Lego connections, and marker compatibility to bring computer science to life. Microbit provides even more opportunities to learn with the Finch robot, with added features. The Hummingbird is a reusable, open-ended robotics kit. Each Hummingbird includes a Hummingbird bit and microbit controller, battery pack, LEDs, servo motors, and sensors. Each part can be coded using a wide range of block-based and advanced text-based programming languages. The Hummingbird Robotics Kit comes with standards-aligned lessons plans and activities for students of all ages. Contact one of our STEAM specialists to schedule a demo and discover how BirdBrain Technologies can support your classroom experience.